watching W.Media and we are coming to you from the Mumbai Cloud and Data Center Convention 2025. Joining us now is a very special guest, Mr. Sanjay Kumar, IAS, Department of Information Technology, Electronics and Communication, and Department of Industries and Commerce, Government of Telangana. Welcome to W.Media, sir. Thank you so much for joining us today. I want to know, as one of the senior most technocrats in the country, what is it about India's digital infrastructure landscape that excites you the most?
Well, as you know, I think Government of India has long back started investing in digital public infrastructure.
Yeah.
And data center happens to be a very, very important component of that.
True.
So you asked me what excites me, Maxim. Excitement is, I'll say that we are creating more and more data storage space.
Yeah.
We are creating high compute facilities.
True.
And this is powering our AI innovations. In fact, if I talk about India as well, I was in Niti Aayog before. So, creating compute facility and creating storage space is one of the areas where every country needs to invest, and India has rightly started doing that. Because if you look at the spaces, infrastructure created by our neighboring country China, or for that matter which country which are not very favorably placed with us.
True.
So that puts a huge you can say challenge for us, that where do we stand. So we have to invest in that, and rightly we are doing that, and states like Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, they have taken the lead, and I think we are in good space, and in the times to come we will be one of the leaders in this space.
Now, Telangana, your state, was one of the first to come up with a proper data center policy. What role has that played in helping you develop your state and make it attractive for data centers to come and set their base?
Well, we were the first. It's true that we were the first state to bring the data center policy, but you have to look at this in perspective of the kind of infrastructure and the kind of skilled manpower ecosystem we have created. Hyderabad infrastructure is known to everybody. It is treated as one of the best cities to stay, and at the same time, if you look at the skilling part, we have taken a number of steps to create that kind of ecosystem where young students, boys and girls get trained. I'll give an example. We have just now started Skill University.
Okay.
Young India Skill University. The campus will be ready by December, and that is one of its kind where industry, we are collaborating closely with the industry, and industry people will be curating the courses, they will be giving the resource persons, and government will be best playing the role of enabler. So we have got 18 schools in that. One school will be for life sciences, one for artificial intelligence, one for healthcare, one for BFSI, and so on. At the same time, we have decided to modernize our ITIs, industrial training institutions.
Right.
So we have created around 100 advanced technology centers. That has been created with the support of in collaboration with a consortium of 17 industry partners led by Tata Technologies Limited.
Okay.
And there we are introducing Industry 4 general courses, 3D printing, robotics, AI, those kind of things. And at the same time, now we are going to create the largest AI hub in India.
You know, this is so interesting because when you even started thinking about it, instead of going to technology, you went to people first. Your first objective was to build the human resources, train them, reskill them, upskill them at required. And now you're talking about AI, which is again a hugely disruptive emerging technology. I was listening to your speech earlier today at the plenary hall, and you said you're coming up with an entire AI city. This sounds very ambitious. What are your plans with AI? Because everyone is fascinated by it, but you seem to have a solid plan of action.
Well, look, AI is a disruptor, and it will disrupt whether we like it or not. Only choice what we have, either to take up that challenge and prepare yourself for that, future-proof your workforce, or just stand at the side and see what unfolds. So Telangana is one of the states where we always try to take up that challenge and create an ecosystem where we can serve our people better. In that context, AI City has been envisaged by Honorable Chief Minister Shri Revanth Reddy Garu, where 13,000 acres land has been taken for a future city part. Future city will be a carbon neutral city. That also is a very, very ambitious task.
Wow.
And one part of that, around 400 acre piece of land, has been earmarked for AI City.
Okay.
So here we want to create an infrastructure to attract global giants in AI field. At the same time, create an ecosystem where domestic players can come, learn with them, and create their own facilities. But when I was talking about AI Hub, that is, though it will be part of AI City, but it's a different initiative in altogether.
Oh, okay.
AI Hub, we are trying to create the largest AI Hub, where 3 main foundations will be there.
Okay.
One, partnership with your leading global academic institutions, leading global industry partners. Skilling will be one of the major focus because we have planned to skill around 50 lakh people.
Oh.
Because Hyderabad has been known as IT destination since quite some time. If you look at the workforce distribution in Hyderabad, a substantial portion is being, they are working the back office job.
Right.
And this particular workforce is under serious threat if we don't do anything, because these jobs are going to become redundant. So our main task is to train them, to future-proof them where they can acquire new skills and work in the field of AI.
Okay, now let's come to ground realities, so to speak. Whenever we talk to all of these, big players, data center owners and operators, everyone says this is not specific to Telangana. In general also, it's difficult to acquire land and acquire powered land at that. What have you done differently to enable easy access to land? How have you cut down the red tape? How are you enabling data centers to be able to, come to Telangana and build their data centers there?
Well, land, when you asked about, we are one of the few states who provide land at a very, very vantage location. Our majority of lands are in and around city of Hyderabad, close to the airport. I think all the data centers, what I spoke about in my talk, that land is located at a distance of around half an hour to 1 hour from the international airport. When it comes to clearance of that, we have got one state level allotment committee which meets every week.
Oh.
And there we take decisions about that. And generally we offer land at subsidized price because we know that when you try to create an industry, when you try to create employment,
True.
land cost should not be the major part of your investment. The moment land cost becomes major part of investment, that acts as a deterrent.
True.
So that we are very much conscious of that fact. So land allotment, as far as that is concerned, it is streamlined. Now spoke about external infrastructure, water supply and power supply.
Right.
So look, Telangana has been, power, self-sufficient. Very, very, we have got around 5 gigawatts of green power, we have got so many hydropowers.
So your power self-sufficient?
We are self-sufficient in power, one.
Okay.
And second, we are working on to come up with a policy to provide open access to energy. That is going to be announced very soon.
This has to do with clean energy, green energy, or all energy?
Open access is something different. Right now, when you purchase power from the grid,
right,
you have to pay at the state government determined rate.
Right.
But open access means that if power is available anywhere in the country at a cheaper rate,
okay,
the company should be allowed to access that.
Oh.
So we are working on that policy and we'll be coming up very soon with that policy.
Would it also include grid offsets?
Of course, yes. Grid offsets, carbon credits, everything will include.
Okay. What about encouraging, because we've also come across a lot of data center operators who want to, create their own captive renewable energy units like solar power plants, etc. Is that something you're also looking at? Are you easing, enabling that, making it easier to do it?
Yes. We do enable that. It's not only for data centers, for any kind of manufacturing industry. For example, say cement or steel manufacturing.
Right.
There also it is an activity which we encourage that. because we are conscious of the environmental impact of thermal and hydropower.
True.
So that way, for green power, state government is very, very supportive. We have come up with a policy also. In fact, we help them in having back-to-back PP agreement, we call purchase power agreement. That also will help them. National Highway, 12 National Highway has been sanctioned, which will connect Hyderabad to Machilipatnam port.
Okay, so is that something you're planning to do in terms of, because you need your cable landing stations and you need access to those subsea cables. So what is the plan of action there?
Well, the sea cable which is going to land at Vizag, already state government has taken a stand that we need to connect from Vizag to Hyderabad.
True.
So for that, I think Government of India and state government has already approved that plan.
Right.
That we'll be connecting a cable from Vizag to Hyderabad.
I see. I also want to find out how are you using AI for delivery of services? How is the government using AI? Because there is a lot of fear, there's a lot of anxiety surrounding AI, but once you realize that even the government is using AI for delivering public services, maybe some amount of confidence can be inspired in people.
I'll tell you about a very, very novel experiment which Telangana has started.
Right.
We have decided to create champions in government departments.
Okay.
So what we have done in every government department, we have identified around 5 to 10 young officers. Those officers can be from IAS, IPS or state service or any other cadre which has got interest in IT and artificial intelligence. So already training has been done for almost around 50% of the departments. We have given them the task. And in the next 3 months, you identify a problem where AI can be used. Come with that problem, we'll connect you to startups who will help you find the solution. Then state government will provide the financial budget to implement that solution. So this is a new concept because generally AI and IT is seen as a private sector thing.
Right.
Now we are working on internalizing this concept in the government ecosystem itself.
Right. Your state is also a magnet for GCCs. What do you think has enabled that?
I spoke to, GCCs, we are unofficially known as GCC capital of
Exactly.
India. We have close to 400 GCCs already working, rather 450 is GCCs now.
Right.
Last year 75 GCCs opened. This year already we have crossed around 50 GCCs. So the way I said in last 1 month, we had McDonald's, we had Deutsche Bosch, we had I think not only names I'm not coming. Eli Lilly was there.
Right.
So around 6-7 big names were there which started. Every alternate day one new GCC is operating. Yesterday, in fact, if we talk about GCCs, so whatever information you have where people have announced.
Right.
But we have got equally big number who don't want to announce but who started working because of geopolitical situation and thanks to American president, everybody knows.
Yeah.
So a lot of American companies established GCC. So when I say 450, that number doesn't include this American GCC which are working from Hyderabad.
Right.
Why it has started here?
Yeah.
So our Hyderabad infrastructure, what I spoke about yesterday, a couple of Swedish delegation people met me.
I see.
And they said that the financial district and high-tech city area, what governments have created, it doesn't look like that it is a part of the erstwhile India. All modern kind of facilities are there. And second, skilled manpower.
Right.
We have around 200,000 skilled manpower already available in Hyderabad. And in the field of IT I'm talking about. And our annual pipeline also is quite strong. Every year we are adding around 30 to 40,000 new students who have passed out from our engineering colleges to in IT and AI field.
Right. So you started with people, you've come back to people. People also love ease of doing business, and a single window is something everyone has been advocating for a while. What's your journey been like in providing a single window for various opportunities in the field of business, especially technology?
I was listening to my Maharashtra colleague, so I don't want to sound, I will say.
No, there is a friendly rivalry there. We sensed it, there's a friendly rivalry between Telangana and Maharashtra.
Single window in Telangana was created in 2014 itself.
Okay.
That's called TG iPass. All the government departments are connected online.
Right.
Every industry, in fact, building permission also for that matter. You have to apply online. There is a specific timeline given to every department within which they have to say yes or no.
Right.
And then it is facilitated.
Right.
And when it comes to ease of doing business, so when Government of India started this exercise, Telangana was in the initially first one or two ranks. I think first or second.
Right.
Then they changed the ranking. They say achievers. Then by that, I mean the states which have performed best, they are called achievers. The states which are doing well, they say some progressive or something kind of thing. We have been in the achiever category since day one. Still now we are.
And it's the youngest state in India.
Yes. But it's the youngest state, but we have, I think when it comes to per capita income in the country, I think we'll be in the top 3 in the country. So that way it's youngest, but having lot of opportunities, lot of resources. So that way Telangana, God has been very kind to Telangana in terms of resources.
Perfect. Final question, sir. You were our chief guest today at Mumbai CDC. You also gave a keynote address. You also got to meet a lot of people. What has your experience been like at Mumbai CDC, and any feedback?
It's a very good conference. I think I could meet some of the industry leaders. I could meet some of the people who are looking to manufacture and invest in India. And that Mumbai being the data center hub of the country, I'll say that this kind of conferences should be organized at other places also, where the domestic players of other states can get to learn to them.
Should we come to Hyderabad next?
Sure. I welcome you people to come to Hyderabad. The state government will provide all the facilities.
Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much.